So children, you have seen all the food items. What all things you saw? You saw chapatis, you saw eggs, then rice, then little meat, chicken and all you saw, no? Then dal, then you saw milk, then you saw some fruits, then vegetables. All these food items, why we eat? What is the reason? Should we eat food or no? Is it necessary to eat food? Yes. If you don't eat food, what will happen? You will die. So, to live, we eat food to live. Today, we are sitting, standing, doing work, running, playing, studying. All this is why? Because we are eating food. And then we eat food. Why? Because it gives us energy to work and play. Now, what is energy? Now, those children or those people who don't have energy, they sit in one corner and they don't do anything. They are very lazy. They feel very lazy and they don't have much things in them which makes them active. You all are very energetic, no? You all play a lot. You all run around. You all do your studies well. So why? Because you are having energy. Now energy comes from where? From all the food that you eat. Every food item has energy in it. If you don't eat those food items which have energy, or you make fuss that I don't want to eat this, I don't want to eat that, I want all the fast food, the junk food, you will not get energy. So energy giving food which will make you active and playful, and you will do lots of work, lots of studies. For that reason, you have to eat food. Then food helps you to grow. You were a small baby, then slowly you became a little big, and now you want to become more big or no? You want to become bigger? So if you want to become bigger, you have to eat food. It makes you grow. And those who don't eat food, make fuss a lot, don't want to eat this and that, and make cry so much for eating the food, then that child will not grow, will be short. Do you want to be short-heighted or you want to be tall? You want to be tall, no? So then next is food keeps us strong. We become very strong, and people will look at us and they will be afraid. So that's why you must be strong, because you have to do a lot of work. You have to do a lot of studies. You have to play. So energy and strength, both you must have in your body. For that reason, you have to eat food. And if you don't eat food, you won't be strong, you won't be energetic, and you won't be healthy. Health is wealth. They say, no? Healthy, wealthy, and wise. When you are eating food, you become healthy, wealthy, and wise. So you want to be intelligent. Wise means you have to be very intelligent. So those children who eat good and healthy food, they will never fall sick. Do you want to fall sick? When you have fever, you have stomach ache, you have so many other problems every time. Those children who are falling sick always, they are not eating the right food. They are eating the wrong food, or they are not eating food at all. So they will always fall sick. So never fall sick. For not falling sick, you have to eat good food items. Now you see, I will show you the screen for a little while. This is a small assignment what I am going to give you. So you see this, what you have to do here in this homework. So here are some food items on the given chart. Tell whether it is a fruit, vegetable, grain, pulses or meat by coloring the proper box. Now this is, you see, dal, and that's why under pulses color has been done. Same way, what all it comes under the fruit category, what comes under vegetable, what comes under grain. Only that you will color. What comes under meat. Now all these things are given over here in the pictures. You see different pictures are given over here. On this side, on the left hand side, all of you all see the pictures and you have to fill these boxes. Followed? Different pictures of fruit, vegetables, grains, pulses and meat, and you will color those boxes only which are in that coming in that category. So I hope you have understood. I am sure you have not understood, and your parents must have understood, so they will help you to do this work. You draw a nice table on like this type of column, and your parents will make you do this work. So do this. This is also a homework. You see, every day one small homework you must do. Not the whole thing, all the homework what I am doing every day you do the whole thing in one day. So this is very helpful for you. You make these columns and you will write down all the things which come under this category. You will color the boxes. Follow, children, all of you. Have you seen everything? And now you see, we will go further into this lesson and you will see what all things we should eat and what all things we should avoid. Now, what should we eat more? What should we eat more? I showed you the pictures. Green vegetables and fresh fruits. All the things that you eat, vegetables and fruit, should be fresh. Don't eat the stale ones because it will be unhealthy for you. Don't eat stale things. Then pulses and milk products. Milk products comes what? Milk. From milk, what all things you make? Make curd, no? You make butter. You get butter from it. You get cheese. You get paneer. You get ice cream. So ice cream and all you should not eat so often. But all these other milk product you can have. Chaach you have, no? The lassi and all, which were buttermilk, what you call it, that you must eat. So this food, these food items, when you eat, it will keep you healthy and strong and energetic. So which food item you should avoid? You should not eat at all. Don't eat at all overcooked food. When mommy is cooking the food and she keeps it cooking it for a long time, then that all the vitamins are lost in it. Followed? All the vitamins are lost in it and it's of no use then eating overcooked and spicy food. Lots of masalas. Putting chilies, turmeric, coriander and so many things, grinding and putting every day. If you eat spicy food, once in a while you can eat once a week, but not every day. I am sure you don't like to eat also spicy food. Many of you must be not eating. Children don't like spicy food, so don't eat spicy food. Then cold drinks, very harmful. Sweets, very harmful for you. Every day eating sweets and chocolates, what will happen? Your teeth will get rotten and they'll start falling, and then you will have lots of pain and you will cry. Then you'll have to go to the dentist. Then dentist will remove that teeth, and the teeth of yours, if 2, 3, then it is teeth. If 1 it is, then it is tooth. He will remove and then you will cry. You won't have tooth. You won't have teeth in your mouth. Then you won't be able to eat. So that's why don't eat too much of cold drink, because sweet is in that also. Then too much of fat. Fat means what? Mota? No. Fat means which is having oil in it. Too much of oil, ghee, butter, all this is called fat. Don't eat all these things too much because it is unhealthy. You will become, you will look very fat, but you won't have energy in your body. You will be very weak, and You will think that, "Arey, I'm so fat." Your mommy or daddy will think you're so fat. Then why my child can't study well? Why my child run around? No, it's because you are eating too much of fats. So, and too much fried food like pakoras, bhajiyas, then samosas, jalebis, and whatnot, which are fried, deep fried in oil. Don't eat such type of food. It's not good for health. Follow, children? So, I will just take up this lesson in a while. For 2 minutes, I am stopping. So, bye for now.